Hello and welcome back. My name is Pete. You're watching PJ Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Samba build. I've got pack number, what was the number? Let me have a quick look. Pack number 9 here, and the first parts I have already done. I've made that little thing there and the hinges, and we're going on, so let's go straight into this. But before I do that, have a look at my channel and have a look at my other builds that I do. But with that, let's get building. So we made the hinges and we're putting them on the window now. So let's get the window out. So we're putting that one on just like before. So I'm not going to show you too much. I just need to know which screws go in. So we've put those on, and we're probably going to put that onto the frame. Have a look which way around it is. That's the wrong way around. That's the right way around. And I'm rushing to this, so that's a bit stupid of me. And now let's get those out, because I was too quick on a lot of things, and not only just on putting that door together, because we have these things to put in as well. We put that door handle in there. We put a DP9 in there. Okay, that's one. We have that spring that we want to put in there. Okay, we've got that in, and that needs to be a mechanism that should be not all the way open, but can open. And we put DP8s in there. DP8s in there, these. So we've got that mechanism in. If you look at that, I'm pulling that handle and you see that thing go back. Okay, that was all 79. Then in 80 we're going on. We made those hinges that we already put on. And we've put that inner panel back on, and we're putting them on with DP4. Then we can put that back on with the screws that we already had here, which were the DP9s. Maybe next time I'll just screw them in and put the screw number in the subtitle. Well, we've done it right, but this one is not clamping like the other one is. Or should I say clamping? We're going straight to the next one. Which is, in this case, stage 81. And this time we're not... Let's put that up there. Not behind anymore. From the previous time we know that we are doing that. And we are doing that. But let's see what we do first. Yep. Exactly what I just did, and put that one on. Shit again. Then we put that one on. Okay, we put this one on. So push that in thoroughly. I thought we needed a screw, but we don't. But we do need to put screws into those 4 points. So that's that window done. That will actually not keep closed, but that's all right. That's that. That's window done. So we're having to look at those points and 1, 2, 3, and they're going to put together. That's the last one in, and that is what we have. And I think this stage is done. And I was right, we're going to stage 83. We're going to stick the V for the VW out right there, neatly in there. It's a push to fit. Let me turn that around so you can see it. Then headlights. Now that promises something. They've already broken, so I need to put some glue on that one. No, I can't do that with this one. That will turn white. I have to do that with this one. This is crystal clear, which means, as the word, it dries up crystal clear. I will put something on that in a moment, but BP3 is what is going on. So we put those indicators on right there, and those sideway thingies, and that we got, but we're not touching it apparently. A lot of little things. Ooh, almost chucked that. A lot of little things. And more BP screws, and that looks like the dashboard. Oh, that did not go well. And we put that one on. That was hard. But what I did not do yet, but what I should do, is put that one on. So we've got all those indicators, speedometer, clock, fuel or stuff like that in. The trip from the left wiper. But how do I know what is left and what's right? Okay, we've got those window wipers on, and that's this stage done, and we've got leftover stuff again. We're probably going to work on it in the next stage. Let's put them to the side. So this is stage 84 done, and 85 is that, but we're working on the dashboard. We're not doing anything with that, so we're going to leave that there. Get that one out, pushed that into those pinholes, and it's indicated there like that, neatly done. And we're doing the same thing here. Push that on as well right there. We cannot put that too tight, otherwise that button will not work. So we need to make sure that when we tighten this up, we don't tighten it so much that we can't that we cannot press that button anymore. That's good. And we've got that in and that in switch in as well. Then we've got that handle to push in. There we go. That's in as well, as you can see right there. That's a bit of a wash. There we go. That one, maybe you can see that as well. That should be able to switch on and off, and that is stage 85 done. We're going to okay, we're getting the 85 one out. And we're putting that little thing in. That's probably for a door that we're going to put in. Now let's try it with this one. We've got them in, as you can see right there. Right there. We put that down carefully. Okay, like so. If you look at there, there's a pin there that will slide into that hole right there. And then we've got to connect it to those 2 points. As you can see, that is a big part of that thing done. And it's in neatly. So as what you saw, you slide it onto that pin and into the hole. 2 BD4s in there. And that is that stage 86 done. We've got big parts that will probably go right in the front here. A few little parts. Completely empty. I always check that especially. So we've got hinges or part of something, and is there a left and a right? Yeah. So we start with the right one here, and we put it on right there, like so. And there we go. That's why you put oil in. Then we take this one out, but let's see if that, yep, I've got it straight away. We put it on right there. So I've put those in, and we're gonna re-put these parts in. That's an easier way to put that all in. They should have done it the other way around, the way I am doing it right now. So put that hinge in and then put this part in. That works so much better and so much easier. You won't have to take off any paint from this hinge thing. From this, and so you don't have to take any paint off that hinge if you do it this way. So what I've done just now, I've put that hinge in, and I took that off, and then I put that hinge in, did the same thing on the other side, and then put that hinge in. The only thing we need to do now is put that last hinge in on this side. And that's all we do in stage 87. Let's see what we do right in 88. It's a bit strange that it was in a different pack, but maybe that's because of me. I put it somewhere else when I checked whether or not I had everything in. So it's a big part though. It's a big part, as you can see right there. Oops, let's put that away. That one. We've got that one with it as well. So I think we're starting with that. So you've got a longer and a shorter side. The shorter side we are going to put on with BD8s. Don't they love that screw? So we've put that hinge on like that, so it can open up to that way. But we're not doing that. We are going to put it on right there. Well, there you go. This is this pack completely done, and I've got more. This is pack number 9. I've got 11 and 12 still in. So let's see, what time is it? I might do 1 or 2 more. Wow, guys, that was something. It's pretty darn big, as you can see on the side camera there. Pretty darn big. I've got that part, the inner and the outer, and this is the skin. So wow. So if you like that, have a look at my channel. There are quite a few more builds that I'm doing, and it's a lovely build, and it's going to be pretty large. Not as large as the Rootmaster bus, but it's nonetheless, it's a really nice build. Nostalgic as well. I've never owned it, but it's just a nostalgic car. But with that, thank you very much for sticking out all the way to the end. That thank you is especially for you. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much. Bye bye.